Hey singers, if you struggle to connect your high notes without flipping or straining, I've got a mixed voice exercise that'll help you find a strong, connected sound. This is straight from my vocal exercise library in the Unlimited Voice Academy. If we haven't met yet, I'm Annie Little, a Los Angeles voice coach with over 30 years of experience as a singer, songwriter, and actor. My training has helped singers just like you unlock their best voice. And if you're looking for more ways to train with me, check out the description below. All right, let's jump in. So I want you to use the edgy M, or that creaky door sound, on a You can even put a hand on the belly and feel it. My belly leans into my hand a little bit when I do it. And I want you to just do some hill climbers on that. So just in the speaking voice range going up, my voice is going to be a little bit higher range than yours, but you just do you in your speaking voice range. Let's do one more. Good. All right, so you're just trying to keep it even, keep the same thickness the whole time. The next thing we're gonna do is some lip trills. You can either do little dimple lift right here, or you can lift from the jawline, keeping a nice vowel behind the lip trill. In my voice, it's gonna be like this. Although I would put my fingers here if I weren't playing the piano. So I want you to do that, or like this. And you are going to do it here. You're doing great. Nice low breath. That was the last one, coming down. A nice vowel. Noticing how your body feels. Keeping your jaw loose, even though we're doing the lip buzz. One more. Excellent. The next thing we're going to do is a Hootie Gee. Gee, 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 gee. I like to put my lips forward a little bit to do it. It's that kind of darker sound. You're going to let the jaw be bouncy at the top notes. And we are going to do it on the 1.5 scale. In my voice, it would be like this. Gee, 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 gee. In your voice, down here. One more. Back down. Nice slow breath. Letting the jaw be bouncy at the top notes. Couple more. Great. All right. Good job. Now we are going to move from that hootie sound to that Bratty Nay sound. So we're going to do the same scale. Just say this for me on kind of a bratty way. Nay, 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 nay. And you're going to let the jaw be bouncy. It's in that meow, meow, that place. Nay, nay, nay. And you're going to go nay, 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 nay. All right. Let the jaw be bouncy at the top. Nay, 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 nay. You're doing great. We're gonna keep going up a few more. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Last one. Great. All right. Have a sip of water, rest for just a moment. We are going to take that nay and open up the vowel just a little bit to a na. Now, if na feels hard for you, you can always do a nya by adding a little y to it. Nya, 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 nya. Or you can think ne, 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 ne. You're going to keep this bratty just like we were doing before. So we're going to do it on the 1.5. And my voice will be like this. Na, 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 na. And your voice down here. Keep your jaw bouncy at the top. Low breath. Na, 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 na. Nice and bratty. Na, 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 na. Come down. Na, 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 na. Few more. Last one. Excellent. All right. We're going to do one more. We're going to do nuh. Now, keep a little of that residual brattiness, but it doesn't need to be super bratty. We're trying to get a little bit back more to a finished sound and more neutral vowel. Nuh, nuh, nuh. It's not going to be nuh, nuh, nuh. Nothing like that. Now, I do want to say this. If it feels like you need something a little narrower to lean into, you can do a nuh. You can modify it to a nuh like nook. Or you can do nuh like nut, like this. Na, 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 na. Now, like I said, if you want to go na, 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 and that feels better for you, go for it. You would do that if the na felt like it made you feel like a little splattery. All right. Na, 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 na. Bouncing the jaw at the top. Nice low breath. Good. Na 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 na. Use those ends. Na 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 na. na. Bouncy jaw. Couple more. Last one. Well done. Hopefully you started feeling some connection, smoothing out, and feeling like you were getting a little bit more even sound throughout your range. If you found this exercise helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friends. If you want more exercises like this, plus a proven roadmap for improving your voice, check out the description for more ways to work with me. I'd love to help you achieve your vocal goals.